Hello everyone, this is Stephen Balch, your instructor for Principles of Marketing at Ozarka College. Today what I want to do is give you just a little bit of feedback on the chapters 15 and 16 activities that I finished grading this morning. And then I'm going to tell you about the semester project, give you a final reminder about the semester project, which is coming up due early next week. And then I'm going to tell you what we've got coming up for chapters 17 and 18 next week. All right. So the first thing is, like I said, I did finish grading the chapters 15 and 16 activities this morning. Go ahead and look at your grades for those activities and read the corresponding grading comments if you haven't already done so. And just let me know if you have any questions at all. Most of you did extremely well on those activities. So I really appreciate those of you that are putting the time and effort in. So keep up the good work on that. The discussion that we had for chapters 15 and 16 that dealt with Burger King's promotional strategy, I thought that went very well. I really appreciate everyone's input on that discussion. I really enjoyed reading everyone's comments. So keep up the good work on the discussions as well. All right, so that brings us to what we've got coming up for our next set of activities. So if we go to the activities page in my Ozarka, right now we are on week 14 of the semester. So we're really close to the end of the semester here. We just have really just a few weeks left. So week 14, there's nothing due this week, but there is work due early next week. So you should be working on finishing up your semester project, which is due by Monday, April 22nd. And then you should also be working on chapter 17 and 18 activities, which are also due Monday, April 22nd, which is a week from today. So you've got about a week to work on those chapter 17 and 18 activities, including the assignment, test, and discussion, and then also putting the finishing touches on your semester project and getting that submitted by April 22nd as well. Okay. Chapter 17 deals with personal selling and sales management. So the last few chapters that we've covered this semester have covered various parts of the promotional mix for companies. And in this chapter 17, you're going to learn about one element of the promotional mix, which is personal selling. All right, personal selling is often used in selling or marketing business goods, goods that you're selling to businesses. It's usually the most common method for selling directly to other businesses. But it's also used some in the consumer marketing as well. But personal selling, you're going to learn about personal selling and sales management. So specifically, you're going to learn about the use of personal selling as an element of the promotional mix. You're going to learn about the steps in the selling process. You're going to learn about sales management. And then finally, one of the key elements that businesses need to create in order to have effective personal selling is they need to come up with a customer relationship management process. And so you're going to learn about CRM, which is basically is an acronym for customer relationship management. Okay. So that's chapter 17. And then chapter 18 deals with another element of the promotional mix, which is social media. So you're going to learn about how social media is used in marketing. You're going to learn about how to create a social media campaign for your goods and services. You'll also learn about the types of social media tools. And then finally, towards the end of the chapter, you will learn about how to develop a social media marketing plan. Okay? So Obviously, social media is a huge component today in promotional plans. And so Chapter 18 covers that in depth. Those are Chapter 17 and 18. So be working on those activities. Again, they're due by Monday, April 22nd, which is a week from today. And again, you also have your semester project to submit by Monday, April 22nd. Just as a reminder on the semester project, make sure you're using your own words on the project, and also make sure you're using the template that I provided. All right. If you don't use the template, you don't use your own words, you're not going to get credit for that project. So just be very careful and make sure that you're using the template that I provided and using your own words. Okay. Other than that, I don't have anything else for you today. So enjoy the rest of your week and your weekend, and I will talk to you again sometime, probably the middle of next week. Thank you.